maybe 4 a week while she's gone off and basically doing whatever with her mates.
What is whatever? Because there are accusations here that you say that she picks partying and drugs.
Tommy's hair.
Oh yeah, she does. Drugs.
Uh-oh.
Cat.
Is it true that she's admitted taking crack?
Yeah.
Amphetamine and MCAT. You would listen to that and you would say, has this guy abducted his child, or is he actually doing, in his mind, as a 50% interested party? Is he doing what's right by the kid? There's a twist to the story, and I don't want to upset you, but this is my real issue here. You first came to this show because you wanted a DNA test. You rang the show.
No, I
What
didn't
are you doing?
long ago. I mean,
Yeah, we were. She said you did it together. Why did you want a DNA test?
I mean, she turned around and told me that she had
You're doing your hair.
Do you believe her? Yeah, think about, which I know you do, what's right for that child. However bad the truth might or might not be, whether it's because you're scared or because of the alternatives, better to know than not know. Do you love this child? Yeah. I know you do.
Tommy, what are you doing?
I think you're a reasonable man as well. I think
What
you
are
need
you
to think about
doing?
taking
You're fixing
the
your
child
ear
away from
hole.
its mother and discovering the truth. But that's just my thoughts, okay? Together, right? Sam's on the Jeremy Kyle Show.
I think he'd do the DNA test because of like it's known with me.
What did she say?
I think he'd just do the DNA test because of like it's known with me.
Did Jeremy need to do a DNA test?
Deep down I know the truth, but he's the one that brought it up.
No, he says
Well
that
done.
you slept with somebody else.
I slept with someone else in April, May, 2.5 years ago, and I was hoping when we got back together, and husband was conceived in August, September time.
When's the last time you saw her?
Well done. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Handsome boy.
Have you done crack?
No.
Have you done amphetamine?
In the
Have you done MCAT?
No.
Have you done any of those drugs whilst you've been a mother?